Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to the settings button to open them, and here at the first place we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Now as you can see, we get access to a few options. Let's start with the first one, add timestamp on photos. Here by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the date and time watermark. So let me keep it turned on now. Let's move to the second option, device watermark. Here we can add the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T watermark. Also by using the button from the right we can turn it on and off. And as you can see, when we have it turned on, we can unlock the custom watermark. So when we turn it off, we have this third option locked. When we tap to this button, we can unlock this. And here we can add our own watermark, for example, hard reset. And save. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see these watermarks at the real one. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is my photo with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have Redmi Note 9T device watermark with the custom hard reset. We can get closer to see it. And from the right we have the timestamp, so the date and time. And of course when we don't need them or need another composition with watermarks, we have to move back to the camera, go to the right corner button, then pick the left settings, tap to the watermark and use this as we need, or just turn it off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.